And the lights are off too, so.
Well, you're a little too far. You should be here. A little here. That's as far as you should be. Okay,
Yeah, so
it
looks pretty good.
You can see, the Torah will be like here. Hello.
It's not perfect, but it's, you know what? We don't want it to be so good.
Yeah.
It's not like we're here to make it, we're not doing a show.
By the way, I'm still recording, so we will be able to hear all the sound later on
Okay.
I think I'm still recording.
So, do you want me to go listen now?
No.
You want me to go listen from my iPad if you stand back where the beamer is?
Now, my microphone, I'm just gonna ask a question about the microphone. Again, my microphone is using the same Huziwatsi as the TV, but you think that if I connected the microphone, you'll be hearing better?
Oh, yeah, more, yeah.
Now, this is through Zoom, Nima?
That's it. What's
The
this
thing
here?
is,
What's this here?
that's the mouse.
So you don't need that.
But
so-
no, but it's the same?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Nima, you're doing this?
use it
So
with the
microphone
phone.
is on, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me just make sure that I'm using the right microphone.
Yeah.
Logitech, camera, video, audio. Not yet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you think that this microphone will pick up?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Because
Are you do-
that's
are
gonna
you
be way
doing it-
better than the one.
Are you doing it through Zoom, this thing?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm on Zoom right
So in
now.
other words, so if we're on Zoom, can somebody unmute themselves?
What?
Will somebody be able to unmute themselves?
Yeah, on their side, they can mute it if they
Oh,
want.
when I set this up and people are out there, I'm not letting them unmuting themselves. I'm gonna do the thing where only the host can unmute them. Okay, ready? Oh, I will turn off that function. People cannot unmute themselves until the kiddush.
Okay, all right, so you're, I'm gonna listen and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you.
So right now we have a microphone that, how does the microphone pick up the sound from the room?
It's gonna be the same thing like you're talking, anything, but remember, you have 4 speakers here.
But I'm talking far away.
No, but you're gonna have a microphone.
Over there.
Of course, your voice is gonna be amplified.
So you'll hear the sound.
Yeah, we'll get the mic right now.
I have a question. Upstairs, I only have one remote microphone. Can I have 2 upstairs? One on the floor and one on the beam?
No, because
Only
that's.
one, only one belong to that room?
That's it.
Oh, okay, got it. By the way, I'm drinking one of the water bottles.
Oh, yeah,
I got
take this one.
I got thirsty.
I can definitely hear you now.
Are you?
I don't know how, I don't know if you want to go up to where
Okay,
it's not a clear picture though.
I'm going. Adon olam asher malach beterem kol yetzir nivra.
Yeah, I mean, you can hear you. Is it perfect? No.
I'm gonna get a microphone from
Now,
Debbie.
Debbie,
Okay.
now we are going to put a microphone, and I'm going to sing the same song to a microphone.
Okay. I need a second opinion.
So how did you hear it from far? How did you hear it from far away?
I heard it absolutely fine. It was really absolutely fine, but your voice projects. I mean, your voice projects, well, you know, I can hear you. I can hear the rabbi. I can hear Erwin. The person who's got to really project and speak in the microphone is Sai when he's up there.
Adon olam, Adon olam, asher malach.
Same thing. I want Willie to come here. Willie?
Oh,
Why
yeah.
don't you go look at Go back and sing again. I want Willie to go listen. Is it perfect? No, but I think it's fine.
Oh, yeah, you can hear it. Yeah.
I know.
What's up, Dada? Yeah, it sounds good. But if you need a little boost, you boost it up yourself right here, and
The green light,
Yeah.
bend down, bend it until like this. I think it will pick up up better. And
Okay.
actually make it bend toward us. Yeah, you know, I think it will pick up more.
Okay.
Yeah. And when you give the service and everyone's quiet and you're speaking, I think you can hear it clear. So,
You know, by the way, when the room is full of people, they absorb the sound.
That's true too.